Hey everybody, it's me, Kitty, with Coupon Divas. Have you ever sworn you had a grocery coupon for something on your list, but then you go to look for it and it's nowhere to be found? Well, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to look up the items on your shopping list just to be sure you're not missing any coupons, because we want you to maximize your savings every time you head out the door. Let me show you. Come on.
Okay, so let's get started. Now, whether you're looking for a specific product coupon or you just want to check your shopping list to make sure you're not missing any coupons, a great tool to use is going to be our coupon database. And that's located in our deal dashboard. It's right down here. Just click on coupon database. So that's going to take you over to a database of coupons, and it's all the coupons out there that we know about, whether they are internet printable coupons, coupons from the Sunday paper, magazine coupons, store coupons, just everything we know about. And if you don't know how to use the coupon database yet, it's really simple, or if you do know but you don't know what all these boxes are for, let's just do a quick walkthrough. Let's do something really simple, like let's say we're not brand specific. Let's just type in dog food, for instance, so I can show you that when you type in dog food and hit enter, you're going to get a list of every dog food coupon or every description that had dog food in the title. And so we see that we have Eukanuba, Purina, Kibbles and Bits, and on and on and on. Now, if you weren't brand specific, like I said, you could just pick whatever one of these coupons you had and be on your way. But if you really like Pedigree and your dog only eats Pedigree, come back up to the description and type in Pedigree and hit enter. And you'll see that you still get a bunch of different coupons that come up, and you can kind of pick and choose which one you have. Now, the ones with the line under them, the links, those are going to be internet printable coupons. So even if you didn't have one, what you could do now is just click on this button here, and it takes you right over to the coupon. You just click print, and you're out the door. It's that simple. Now, if I wanted to look for some of these other ones, let me just show you. If you go under the source name, it's going to tell you where it came from. Red Plum RP insert is labeled RP insert. If it said SS insert, that would be Smart Source insert. And an insert is from the Sunday coupon inserts. And those would be found, whatever the source date is, that was the week they were in the paper. Simple enough. Now, there's other ways to search the database too. Let me show you just a couple of those to kind of help you out. If you go over here to these drop downs, you can either refine your search even further if you were looking for something specific, or if you just wanted to say, let's say you just wanted to see all of this insert coupons from the Sunday paper that are still valid. You can click on coupon source and you can click on insert, and then you could click search, and it's going to bring up every Sunday coupon insert that's still valid and out there for you. And then you just go by the source name and the source date to see which week's paper and which insert it is. Another great way to search is by the source date. And the reason why this is a great little tip is because later in the week, probably Friday, Saturday, the next week's coupons get loaded into the database. So you can get a little bit of a preview of what you might expect to find in your Sunday coupon inserts. And sometimes even the printable ones get loaded in. So it's a great way to take kind of a sneak peek at the upcoming coupons. Finally, we have just a couple other ones. You can enter a value if you were looking for a specific denomination of a coupon, and you can also look, some stores do take expired coupons, so you could check whether or not they were expired or not. So you can see this database has a lot of different ways to search. It's a great tool to use, and I hope that you found this video useful. So the next time you have a coupon that you just can't find, make sure you pop on out to the coupon database and do a quick search. And if you're still stuck, you can always come to our Coupon Divas Facebook page and ask your question there. We're always out here ready to help you. Until next time, I'm Kitty with Coupon Divas. Thanks for watching.